In order for ice to melt, it has to rob energy from something around it.
Okay.
And so that's why you put ice in the iced tea. It actually robs heat away from the tea, and in melting, it causes the tea to get colder. So that's kind of how it works. If I took some salt, for example, and I put some rock salt down inside here like this, now do me a favor, take your hands and move that around. Go ahead, move around, get it going in there and so forth. Immediately stick your hands down inside that and feel what just happened. It gets super cold.
Yeah. It's
Isn't that amazing?
I could not keep my hands in there very
Not
long.
at all. In fact, in the little experiment over here, if you take ice at 32 degrees and put some salt in it, I'm down to 17 degrees. So it's super, super cold.
Fast.
So it lowers the freezing point, and that just allows us to be able to have surround it with something else. And if we wanted to surround it with cream and something good like that, that would be great. So do me a favor, you grab the paper towel. I'll trade this out over here, and let's make some ice cream. So here's what you have to do. On the website, I'm going to put, excuse the reach, I'm going to put the recipe. Use whatever you want, but I'll show you real quickly how it works. So we're going to use some ice, but in this first, why don't you use the half and half? So grab the half and half there.
Oh, yeah.
Got it? All right, so half and half in here.
That's creamy.
And why wouldn't you? So keep going, and keep going, keep going. Yeah, that's perfect. Good. And now we need some sugar, and so just a little tiny bit of sugar. Perfect. And how about some flavoring? How about vanilla, butternut, whatever that is? Oh, and you're going to measure?
I don't know. Am I supposed to?
I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. All right, so this goes here, and so now we seal this up. Here's the piece. You could do this in a jar if you wanted to. It makes it a little bit easier. But there's your mixture, and that's going to be good. If I put it down inside here, it's not going to get as cold as we want it to get. So that's where this comes in. And so we put the salt in there, and it doesn't take a tremendous amount. So this is in here, and now if you seal this up, now you hand it to the kids, and it's going to take them a while to get this going. So I have one over here already started for you. Just put your hands around that.
Okay. Ooh.
Isn't that an amazing? That's super cold, isn't it? Is that super cold?
On a hot day, that would feel good.
So here's what we're doing. We're robbing all of the energy away from and all of the heat away from that cream in there, but this makes it even more fun. So if you do it like this, here's what I do with my boys. We make these,
so
and
they
then
roll it around?
I drop them off in downtown Denver and say, roll it to golden. And by the time they get to golden, they've got ice cream, which is kind of fun. But look at this, as they roll kind of back and forth and they do this, you can actually see the froth. See, you can't touch it, can you?
No, you can't.
And that's just ice and salt. And so now when we reach inside here and we take this out here like this, let me see if I can reach in and grab some for you so you can kind of see it. Again, use any recipe you want. The hard part is just kind of getting
vanilla, anything you
whatever
want.
you want. Now realize, however, that there's salt everywhere, and so you want to make sure that you do this last little thing, which is you dip it in the water and try to get as much of the salt off before you open it up.
Before you open up the
So
bag.
now I think I'm good though. So here we go. You ready? I'll open it up. Take your little spoon, and now you get to dig in there and do one of those and see what that tastes like.
Homemade
and again,
ice
we just
cream,
see
nothing
what
better.
that's like. It's not bad. Isn't that great?